This video shows how to install the 160-400 universal 14-pin wiring harness used by most skid steers onto the Blue Diamond high flow cold planer. This is how the cold planer comes. There's two bolts attaching the solenoid cover, and this cover also has the switch attached that controls whether the skid steer control will activate tilt or will activate side shift. There's a wire harness connected to the back of the switch with wires going to the tilt and side shift solenoids, and then two female Deutsch connectors to plug into the wire harness connectors. The wire harness 160-400 comes with 6 solenoid Deutsch connectors. There's a dark blue and a light blue. There's a dark green and a light green, and a dark brown and a light brown. Each of these plugs into one of the Deutsch connectors on either the solenoid or the adapter harness for tilt and side shift. The dark green and light green connect to the solenoid on the bottom closest to the front. The dark green connector plugs into the lower coil. The light green connector plugs into the upper coil. The dark blue connector and light blue connector plug into the solenoid at the rear. The dark blue plugs into the lower coil, and the light blue plugs into the upper coil. To connect the tilt and side shift solenoid connectors, dark brown to dark brown and light brown to light brown. Then put all that inside the case area. Slide the harness through the slot in the cover. Rotate the grommet to lock it in, and replace the cover.